Oh, I don't have good environment to learn English. I do not have any partner to learn English. Well, these are the excuses which we do make when we want to start to learn English, but some excuses are running in our mind and they are controlling us for learning English. They are controlling us and they are like pulling us back. They are asking us, just go back. You do not have any partner. You don't have a partner to learn English. You don't have good environment to learn English. But these are just excuses. But firstly, let me tell you, I am also a learner like you. So if I will make mistakes or if I will fumble, then please let me know where I am making mistakes, and please, if I'm fumbling, then please like avoid this kind of thing, because I am also a learner like you and I'm trying to be fluent. I'm working on my communication skills, so this is what I want to show you, like how I am practicing. You can also practice like this. So now let's dive into our main video without squandering our single minute of time. So are you that kind of person who is knocking his or her head against the wall, that how can I create environment for learning English? So there is a one very normal solution for this. This is, you have to talk to objects. You can talk to objects. Now you guys might be thinking that, like you guys might be thinking that, how can you talk to objects? Your parents will think that, or your family members will think that, oh, you got lost your mind. But it's okay if you're talking to yourself, if you're talking to objects just for improving your communication skills, just for improving your English. It's okay, because you are working on yourself. You are stepping forward and you are trying to give your best to yourself for improving your English. You are putting your efforts, and this is enough. One day when you will be fluent, your parents, your family members will then let to know that why were you talking to objects, why were you talking to yourself. Then they will let to know. But firstly, just keep silence and just try to do practice as much as you can. Now, how can you create environment? How can you talk to objects? For example, you have something, you have a one kind of object. For example, this scissors. So you can ask to hey scissors, what are you doing? What kind of colors do you have? Can I cut clothes by the help of you? Like this. So you can talk to objects. For example, this is a notebook. Now I will talk to a notebook. Hey, how are you? What are you? Like, this will response you. I am a notebook. I have pages. You can write on pages. So this would be the response which would be given by the notebook. But you have to give this response by yourself, because notebook cannot speak. Okay, notebook cannot speak. So you will have to answer it. Firstly, try to ask questions to objects, then try to answer those. Okay, and then there are many objects with whom you can talk and you can improve your English. Firstly, try to ask questions, then try to answer those questions, because objects cannot speak. You have to answer at your own. But when you will try to ask questions, you will get to know where you can ask questions in a right way, where you can use a good structure of making sentence. And the next thing, what you can do when you are trying to talk to objects, you are creating environment around you. And this is how you can create environment. Like, you are trying to talk to objects, and this is how you will create environment. And then try to record yourself in front of the camera, like try to record yourself in the camera. Then after that, listen to yourself, listen to your recording. Like, then you will get to know where are you making mistakes. Okay, then you will definitely get to know you are making mistakes sometime, and try to correct your mistakes. And this is gonna help you a lot. Now, how this would be going to help you a lot? Because when you will listen yourself, you will get to know you're pronouncing any word in a wrong way. Like, when you will listen your pronunciation, then you will let to know you are pronouncing some words in a wrong way. For example, now I am making mistakes. I know that I'm making mistakes, but I am trying to give my best. And after that, after recording this video, I will also listen my mistakes where I'm making mistakes, and I will also try to correct my mistakes. And this is what you guys have to do. You also have to work on your mistakes. And don't worry if you are making mistakes. Mistakes are the proof that you are learning something. If you will not make mistakes, you are not going to be perfect. So firstly, try to make mistakes and try to talk to objects, and this is how you can create environment for yourself. Okay, and thank you. And if you have learned something from this video, then please like it, subscribe my channel, and share this video. Thank you.